I'm 91, but I look 59. My secrets of health, sex, and longevity. Anti-aging foods, Carmen Dell'Orefice. In a world that's always searching for the elusive fountain of youth, Carmen Dell'Orefice, a legendary model who began her career in her early teens, stands as a living testament to the power of grace, vitality, and confidence. At 91, Carmen looks decades younger, a feat that she credits to a harmonious blend of lifestyle choices, dietary habits, self-care rituals, and a resilient mindset. For decades, she has inspired not only with her beauty, but with her approach to life and aging. She remains vivacious, fiercely independent, and remarkably wise. Carmen's philosophy on health and longevity is practical and powerful, taking care of both body and spirit, nourishing from the inside out, and treating each day as an opportunity to live vibrantly. Her life embodies the idea that aging is not about chasing youth. It's about embracing a lifestyle that allows the body to thrive naturally. From mindful eating to a soulful approach to sexuality, Carmen's secrets go beyond superficial beauty. She believes in the power of certain anti-aging foods and takes pride in choosing whole natural ingredients that support her health and glowing complexion. But she also believes that real youthfulness is found in the way we feel, about ourselves, about the people we love, and about life itself. Carmen's story is a gift to all of us who seek to live fully, age gracefully, and radiate joy from within. Embracing a life of self-care and balance, Carmen firmly believes that one of the most powerful tools for aging well is developing a balanced lifestyle focused on self-care and simplicity. She prioritizes her health by getting enough sleep, practicing gentle movement, and avoiding the stress of overscheduling. Carmen's philosophy of balance also includes being mindful of her environment and habits. She stays away from things that bring too much stress and focuses on creating a peaceful, enriching atmosphere around her. Her approach isn't about a strict routine or rigorous exercise. Instead, she emphasizes listening to her body and understanding what it needs to function at its best. Through this gentle approach, Carmen allows her body to rejuvenate naturally, a practice she considers foundational to her glowing appearance and well-being. Self-care for Carmen also means nurturing her mental and emotional health. Carmen has a deep appreciation for art, nature, and quiet time, understanding that beauty flows from a calm, centered mind. She practices gratitude daily, focusing on the good things in life and cherishing each moment. Choosing nourishing foods that heal and energize. Carmen has long credited her ageless beauty to a diet rich in whole, nourishing foods. She believes that food is medicine, and what we eat has a direct impact on how we feel, look, and age. Carmen's meals are simple, colorful, and full of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. She often includes anti-aging superfoods like leafy greens, berries, avocados, nuts, and seeds. These foods not only support her physical health but also give her skin a radiant glow and her hair strength and shine. Her diet is designed to keep her body strong, her energy high, and her appearance youthful. She treats food as a tool for longevity and wellness. Carmen has also learned to stay away from overly processed foods, refined sugars, and artificial additives. She understands that these types of foods may offer quick satisfaction but can have long-term negative effects on health and appearance. By eating clean, Carmen keeps her body in a natural state of balance, allowing it to absorb nutrients fully and efficiently. Staying active with gentle, sustainable movement. Carmen embraces movement as a form of self-love rather than as a strict requirement. She opts for gentle exercise that supports her body's needs and respects her energy levels. Activities like walking, stretching, and light yoga keep her body flexible, her muscles toned, and her joints strong without overworking her system. This gentle approach to fitness is more about staying connected to her body than achieving a certain look. Carmen believes that staying active helps keep her mind sharp and her spirit uplifted, and she treats every movement as a gift to herself. The key for her is consistency and enjoyment, not high-intensity workouts or gym routines. Another crucial element in Carmen's routine is rest and recovery. She understands that overexertion can lead to injury and stress, so she listens to her body and takes rest days when she needs them. By focusing on sustainable, low-impact movement, Carmen finds that she can maintain strength and vitality without putting strain on her body, maintaining a youthful spirit and a positive attitude. Carmen believes that a youthful mindset plays an essential role in longevity. She approaches life with a sense of curiosity, always open to learning new things and meeting new people. She sees every day as a fresh opportunity to connect, grow, and experience joy. Carmen doesn't let age define her or limit her potential. She views it as a chance to continue evolving. This perspective keeps her mind sharp and her heart young, proving that youth is as much about attitude as it is about physicality. Carmen's laughter, kindness, and openness make her a joy to be around, and these qualities keep her spirit vibrant. A positive attitude also helps Carmen handle the inevitable changes that come with age. Rather than focusing on limitations, she sees her life experiences as a wellspring of wisdom and grace. Carmen faces life with optimism, which gives her an unshakable resilience. The role of intimacy and connection in a vibrant life. Carmen has always emphasized the importance of meaningful relationships and the joy of intimacy. She believes that love in all its forms adds richness to life, helping her feel youthful and alive. Carmen is unafraid to express her femininity and enjoys the confidence that comes from embracing her sexuality at any age. She believes that intimacy brings a deep sense of fulfillment, and a feeling loved and appreciated is ageless. Carmen's openness about her love life is refreshing and shows that connection is not limited by age, but is something that continues to evolve and bring happiness. Friendship, too, is a vital part of Carmen's life. She treasures close bonds with family and friends, which keep her grounded and supported. Carmen finds that these connections bring laughter, comfort, and a sense of belonging, which add to her inner glow. The magic of skincare and natural beauty rituals. Carmen has a simple yet effective approach to skincare. She chooses quality over quantity, using gentle, nourishing products that support her skin's natural glow. Her routine focuses on hydration, sun protection, and products rich in antioxidants to combat free radicals and prevent premature aging. Carmen believes that skincare should enhance natural beauty, not cover it up. Her routine is a mix of self-care and ritual. Each step is taken mindfully, making her skincare a cherished part of her day rather than a chore. Alongside her skincare, Carmen practices self-acceptance. She doesn't chase after beauty trends or try to look like someone else. Instead, she celebrates her unique features and natural beauty. Carmen's approach to aging gracefully includes embracing her appearance at every stage, living with purpose and joy every day. Perhaps one of Carmen's greatest secrets to longevity is her commitment to living with purpose and joy. She finds meaning in her work, her relationships, and her passions, treating each day as an opportunity to do what she loves. Carmen's career in modeling has spanned over 7 decades, and she still enjoys being in front of the camera and sharing her story. Her passion for her work gives her life structure and excitement, proving that purpose is a powerful motivator for staying young at heart. But Carmen's sense of purpose isn't just about her career. It's about living authentically. She encourages others to pursue their passions and to seek out what brings them happiness, whether it's through art, travel, relationships, or simply appreciating the beauty of nature. Carmen finds joy in the everyday moments. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.